Welcome to EPS Momentum, the platform built for investors who want professional-grade insights. In this video, we'll break down a powerful tool, Stock Drift Forecast. It helps you forecast investments with greater confidence. The Stock Drift Forecast feature. It incorporates clean and clear visuals forecasts of price after the earnings are announced. This model analyzes post-earnings price behavior and projects how a stock could drift until its next earnings report. It's based on historical patterns, so you're not guessing in the dark. It displays drift with maximum, minimum, and average distance from pre-announcement price. The drift forecast accuracy rate is also displayed and is an important historical guide for future performance. Why is this useful? Many stocks experience a quiet period between earnings releases. Drift analysis helps you plan trades around that moment. For investors, this means you can set expectations. Instead of overreacting to short-term noise, you can position with confidence, knowing the forecasted trend early in the game. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the platform, and don't forget to do your own research.